Today, I will talk to you about 10 basic principles to live happily longer, as was followed by great writer Kushwant Singh. I have often thought about what it is that makes people happy, what one has to do in order to achieve happiness. First and foremost is good health. If you do not enjoy good health, you can never be happy. Any ailment, however trivial, will deduct something from your happiness. Second, a healthy bank balance. It need not run into crores, but it should be enough to provide for comforts. And there should be something to spare for recreation, eating out, going to the movies, travel, and holidays in the hills or by the sea. Shortage of money can be demoralizing. Living on credit or borrowing is demeaning and lowers one in one's own eyes. Third, your own home, rented places can never give you the comfort or security of a home that is yours for keeps. If it has garden space, all the better. Plant your own trees and flowers. See them grow and blossom and cultivate a sense of kinship with them. Fourth, an understanding companion, be it your spouse or a best friend. If you have too many misunderstandings, it robs you of your peace of mind. It is better to accept the differences than to be quarreling all the time. Fifth, stop envying those who have done better than you in life. Risen higher, made more money, or earned more fame. Envy can be corroding. Avoid comparing yourself with others. Sixth, do not allow people to descend on you for gossip. By the time you get rid of them, you will feel exhausted and poisoned by their gossip mongering. Seventh, cultivate a hobby or two that will fulfill you: gardening, reading, writing, painting, playing, or listening to music. Going to clubs or parties to get free drinks or to meet celebrities is a criminal waste of time. It's important to concentrate on something that keeps you occupied meaningfully. Eighth, every morning and evening, devote 20 minutes to meditation or introspection. In the mornings, 10 minutes should be spent in keeping the mind absolutely still and for listening listing the things you have to do that day. In the evenings, 5 minutes should be set aside to keep the mind still and 10 to go over the tasks you had intended to do. Ninth, don't lose your temper. Try not to be short tempered or vengeful. Even when a friend has been rude, just move on. Above all, when the time comes to go, one should go like a person without any regret or grievance against anyone. My dear friends, if you follow these 10 principles, you will also live happily longer like Kushwant Singh. I wish you all the best. God bless you. Thank you very much.